Ladies and gentlemen, students and esteemed colleagues, thank you for joining me today for this lecture on the philosophy of Thomas Nagel. Thomas Nagel is a prominent philosopher whose work has significantly impacted various areas of philosophy, particularly ethics, metaphysics, and the philosophy of mind. Today, we delve into some of Nagel's most influential ideas and contributions to the field. Thomas Nagel was born in Belgrade, Yugoslavia in 1937, and he is currently a professor of emeritus. Thomas Nagel was born in Belgrade, Yugoslavia in 1937, and he is currently a professor emeritus at New York University. Throughout his distinguished career, he has authored numerous books and articles that have challenged and reshaped our understanding of some fundamental philosophical questions, namely, the problem of moral luck. One of Nagel's early contributions to ethics is the concept of moral luck. Nagel pointed out that our moral judgments often depend on factors beyond our control, such as consequences of our actions. This raises a profound question. Can we be truly responsible for our actions when factors like luck play such a significant role in determining their outcomes? Nagel's exploration of this issue challenged traditional views of moral responsibility. The View from Nowhere. Nagel's 1986 book, The View from Nowhere, is a seminal work in metaphysics and epistemology. In it, he explores the tension between subjective first-person perspectives and objective third-person perspectives. Nagel argues that there is an irreducible subjective element to consciousness that cannot be fully explained from an objective standpoint. This book invites us to consider the nature of objectivity and subjectivity and how they intersect in our understanding of reality. What is it like to be a bat? In his seminal essay, What is it like to be a bat, published in 1974, Nagel takes on the problem of consciousness and the nature of subjective experience. He argues that even if we had a complete physical description of the bat's brain and behavior, we would still not fully understand what it's like to be a bat. Nagel's essay challenges reductionist approaches to consciousness and raises questions about the limits of our scientific understanding. The absurd. Nagel has also written about the concept of the absurd. In his essay, The Absurd, 1971, he explores the tension between our search for meaning in life and the apparent meaninglessness of the universe. Nagel suggests that the conflict between our desire for meaning and the indifferent universe can lead us to feelings of absurdity. This work engages with our existentialist themes and invites us to reflect on the human condition. Secular philosophy and the religion's quest. Nagel has explored the relationship between secular philosophy and religious belief. He acknowledges the appeal of religious conceptions, of meaning and purpose, while maintaining a secular perspective. Nagel's writings on this topic provide valuable insights into the dialogue between philosophy and religion. Moral realism and objectivity. In his work on moral philosophy, Nagel has defended a form of moral realism, arguing that moral facts are objective and independent of our beliefs. This position challenges moral relativism and subjectivism, advocating for the existence of moral truths that transcend individual perspectives. To conclude, Thomas Nagel's contributions to philosophy are both wide-ranging and thought-provoking. His work has left a lasting impact on ethics, metaphysics, and philosophy of mind, and the philosophy of religion. Nagel's ability to pose deep philosophical questions and challenge conventional wisdom has enriched the discourse in these areas, inspiring generations of philosophers to grapple with the complex issues he has raised. As we continue to explore the depths of these philosophical questions, it is essential to engage with the works of thinkers like Thomas Nagel, whose ideas continue to stimulate fruitful discussions and expand our horizons in the world of philosophy. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to delve further into Nagel's writings to gain a deeper understanding of his philosophical insights. Particularly, I would highly recommend all people check out his famous essay, What is it like to be a bat? Thank you.